गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्ते। अभी हम हिंदी सीखेंगे, ठीक है। All that we have learned until today, all the swar and vyanjan, shall we try to recall all of them? Okay, I have put a chart here, a chart which has all the swar and the vyanjan and the word beginning with the sound. Okay, shall we go by them one by one? After this, we'll try and read words, 2-letter words, 3-letter words. We had already started doing it. We'll continue reading those words also. Okay, by now you would have finished all the consonants that are there in the Hindi letters. There's one more remaining, I will teach you later. It is not there in your writing copy. So maybe you can practice in any other book. Okay, I think Bal Prabodhini has a picture of it, but not there in your writing copy. Never mind, let's go ahead and check all those letters that we have learned. Let's start with swar. Swar means vowels. You know the English vowels, right? The vowels of the English alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. Just 5 of them. Here you have many. We'll read them and then we'll count how many are there. Okay, the vowels, the swar. A, I, U, R, E, O, Ah. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 letters are there in the swar. Okay. Let's just say words for that. If you can see the pictures very closely, can you see them very clearly? Okay. Let us say A say anar. A say aam. I say imli. E say ik. U say ullu. U say ऊंट. R से ऋषि. A से एड़ी. ए से ऐनक. O से ओखली. औ से औरत. अंग से अंगूर. Aha say we were learning other words which had the consonants added to that, like we learned duhak, shanaiha, prataha. Remember, prataha means morning, duhak means sadness, and shanaiha means slowly, punaha. We have tried ha with these 2 dots, it becomes punaha. Ha and 2 dots, punaha. So it means right again and again. Now you tell me. A say, A say, I say, E say, U say, U say, R say, A say, A say, O say, O say, Ang say, we have nothing, but you have to say what all words? Anything you like. What is that? Punaha, Shanaiha, Duhak, Prataha. Okay? Now, moving on to consonants, which we call as Vyanjan, which were the consonants of the English alphabet: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, like that. Okay, here we have K, K, G, G, Ng, Ch, Ch, J, J, Ñ, T, Th, D, Dh, N, T, Th, D, Th, N, P, F, B, B, M, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, ह क्ष त्र ज्ञ. Okay, now let's say what all we have. क से कबूतर, ख से खरगोश, ग से गमला, घ से घड़ी, ङा से कुछ भी नहीं है, छ से चरखा, छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज, झ से झरना, ञ से कुछ भी नहीं, ट से टमाटर, ठ से ठठेरा. The picture is wrong here. They put a plumber here. Actually, it is a potter. Tathera is a potter. Tathera. D से डमरू, ढ से ढोलक, न से we can say trina, the grass. Yeah, trina, Krishna, na. Okay, darpana. Next one. T से tarazu, the weighing scales, the one which the vegetable vendor or the fruit seller has. Yeah, that's called tarazu. Then th से thermos, द से दवाई, ध से धनुष, धनुष, the bow. Okay, that's called dhanush. This one alone without the arrow. Dhanush. If it is a rainbow, you will say that is also a bow only, right? Rainbow. You call it as Indradhanush. Dhanush. Indradhanush. Next. Na se nal, tap. Pa se patang. Fa se फल, ब से बतख, भ से भालू, म से मछली, य से यज्ञ, र से रस्सी, ल से लट्ठू, व से वर्षा, रेन, वर्षा, श से शरबत, प से श से षटभुज or षटकोण. Okay, षटभुज is what written here. You can say षटकोण also. स से संतरा, ह से हथौड़ा, हथौड़ा, hammer. The carpenter will have a hammer in his hand, right, for fixing the nails. हथौड़ा. Then क्ष, क्ष से क्षत्रिय, त्र से त्रिशूल, the trident, त्रिशूल, and ज्ञ, ज्ञ से ज्ञानी, the wise man, okay, who has very good knowledge about everything, ज्ञानी. Okay, these are the letters of the consonants. Now shall we see some, try and read some words using all these consonants. I have written few words here, 2-letter words and 3-letter words and even a 4-letter word. Shall we try to read it? The s, the s, the s, das, the s, das. Das means what? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, now das. Okay, das. Next one. Gh, r, ghar, ghar, ghar. Ghar means house. Chh, ta, chat, chat. Chat means terrace. Yeah. Sh, together, this together is sh, right? Sh, ha, r, shahar. Shahar. Shahar means a city, like Chennai city. Okay, which city or कौन से शहर में आप रहते हैं? चेन्नई, शहर. Next one. Tub, 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 tub. You all like to take bath in a tub? Tub. Right now it's summer. That's the best place to be, in a tub. With water. पानी के साथ. ठीक है? Next one. चरण. चरण. Charana. Charana. Charan means feet. Okay? The feet under your leg. Okay. Feet. Charana. The feet of your leg. Next one. Bhavana. 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 Bhavan. Bhavan means house. Okay, a house is called as a bhavan. Even ghar is a house, bhavan is also a house. Sometimes buildings are referred to as bhavan. Okay, any kind of building. You might even see names like Balaji Bhavan. You go for eating there, no? The hotels nearby. Yeah, Adyar Ananda Bhavan. Yeah, Bhavan. Next one. Sha. This is a 4-letter word. Sha. Shatapad. 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 What is Shatapad? Shat means 6. Shatapad means 6-legged. Pad means leg only. I mean feet. Yeah, legs only. Pad means leg. So Shatapad means 6 legs. Which is that which has 6 legs? Insects. Generally insects are referred to as Shatpad. Next one. Nal. 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 Nal means tap. Fal. 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 Fal means fruit. Yagya. 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 Okay? Yagya. You know what it is, no? That fire. We learned years of yagya. That fire that priest will raise, right? Yes, that holy fire. Yagya. Next one. Tra. Na. Trana. 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 Trana means grass. Okay? See, you are able to read from 2 letters to 4-letter words also you can read. Is it not? Let's try one more time. Das. Das. Ghar. Ghar. Chat. Chat. Shahar. Shahar. Tab. Tab. Charana. Charana. Bhavana. Bhavan. Shatapad. Shatapad. Nal. Nal. Fal. Fal. Yagnya. Yagnya. Trana. Trana. That's all. We have done our reading. Now shall I introduce you one special letter? We didn't count how many consonants are there, no? Yeah, I'll tell you how many consonants are there, and I will also tell you how to write the new letter which is not there in your writing practice, but I want you to take practice of that and know that also. Okay? Okay, just give me a minute. The new letter that I am giving you is Shra. Shra. See how I write it? Standing line. Like this, and one slanting line. Shra. One more time. And one line from the same point. Shra. Okay. Now you would have heard this sound Shra when I say Shri. Correct? Shriman, Shrimati, or when you say Shri Vidya, some people will have names like that, right? Shri Vidya, Sriniti, Shri Kumar. Is it not? Have you heard the name Shri? Yeah. So that begins with the sound Shra, this letter Shra. Okay. In your Bal Prabodhini, there is a picture of Shravana. 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 You can read the full word. What is it? Shravana. Shravan means ear. Ear. Okay. Kan we say in Hindi Kan, but one more way of saying it is Shravan. Okay. Shravan. Okay. So this is the new letter that you are learning. You can try and take a practice of it. Now I told you we have to count how many consonants are there, right? See here. These are the set of consonants. There are 36 of them in this. How many? 36. And this one extra will be 37. 36 plus 1. This one. Shra will be 37, because if you see, the Shra is not there in this chart also. It is not there. See? Sh, Sa, Ha, Ksha, Tra, Gya. There is no Shra. Okay, anyway, which means that there are 37. Okay, and how many swar was there? 13. Together now can you tell me how much is there? You can add. What is this? Combination of 10. 3 plus 7, 10. 1 plus 2, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 50. So until today you have learned 50 letters in the Hindi alphabet. Okay? 50 letters you have learned. Rounded, perfect round. Because yesterday I was thinking 49 is not it's not just finishing. You must have rounded off with a 50, right? Yeah, then I just remembered the shra is missing. Anyway, we got it. So it's rounded to 50. Okay, children, will you all do the writing practice of this? Okay, I'll meet you all in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Alvida.